Hi, welcome to tripleclaim.com. My name is Armin and this is the third part of the game prop creation tutorial. In this part we are going to animate our prop. We'll start by turning on auto key, and I have already set up the keying set to lockrod scale. I'll also check if the interpolation of the new keys is set to linear. I make sure everything is selected. We'll set start frame to 1, and by hitting the I key I set a key on every bone. I switch the orientation to gimbal so the manipulator's axis align with the bone's axis. On the first pose the sign needs to be out of the player's view field. On frame 7 we are going to move the sign a bit higher than what will be the final position, and by that we are going to create an overshoot. And on the frame 10 we are going to create another smaller overshoot. On frame 13 the sign is going to settle into its final position. I select all the bones, and by pressing I make sure everything is keyed on every frame. On frame 4 I press Shift E to turn on the breakdown tool, and I slide the percentage back to create a slow out of the first pose. I do the same on frame 9 to create a breakdown between the two overshoots. And on frame 12 we are going to create a slow in into the last pose. Now that I have all the base keys in place, I'll switch the interpolation to steps and see what it looks like. I don't usually go into the graph editor so early into the process, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to show you how I polish the curves. I use the same technique to animate the panels, so I will speed up the video through the animation of the first panel, and I will skip the other two entirely and show you the end result. This is the first panel finished. In the end I did a polish pass and added some finesse and some finer movements, and by that the animation was done. If you have any questions, please contact us, and thank you for watching.